This is Rathaus Hall. GAL square indicator. That's a new one. This is new stuff for me. I don't see elevators like these. Hope that's just them. Oh wow, look at this. Yeah, this is new. I've never seen Hardwick? I had a better picture of that later. Maybe this set down? Oh, maybe it has one of those. Yeah, it does. Oh boy. Alright, two. Here we go. This side. Yeah, let me get a look at that. See Hardwick. We'll go to G because I think I can get off there. And we can open up this door. This is a very interesting controller on it. Whoa, big bump. It's very cool that it has this. Yep, perfect. There's the fire service on this floor. The indicator's definitely seen better days. There it goes, and that's it.